Hello YouTube, today we're going to be showing you what you can make with the Moon Dough pizza set. I made a mushroom, a pineapple, a tomato, and a broccoli. Now I'm going to show you how you can, now this is the bottom of the pizza. I'm going to pop it out so you can see what it looks like on the outside.
Me too.
I mean the top.
I did that.
Okay? And this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put my toppings on.
And make my pie done.
Okay? Then I'm going to put it inside my pizza box. Okay. And then when you squish on the lid, it cuts it. So then you have a fully made pizza.
I need this.
Like and subscribe and comment below.